Hi everyone, I have a different and a very rare nature friend with me today. If you know it, just type the name in the comment section. And if you don't know it, I will show you much better. So this fruit right here in my hand, it's called Honeydew Melon. It's a type of melon, a very different species of melon it's small, but it tastes like honey. Actually, really, it tastes like honey. It can also be called honey melon. It can also be called honeydew melon, and other generic names according to the geographic location. So it's basically found in Asia. If it's not found in your region, no worries. One day you come across it and you enjoy it as well. So let me enlighten everyone about this fruit specifically. So, as I always do, I always talk about the medicinal benefits of this fruit and how it can improve your health and also improve your life as well, including your patients as well. So, firstly, let's go straight to immune system. This honeydew melon have the capacity to increase the immunity of a person or of an individual by consistent consumption of this fruit. It will boost your immunity due to its high composition of vitamin C. There are other vitamins as well. I will talk about them. I'll also break them down to you in few minutes. Okay. So and also apart from improving the immunity, it also improves vision as well because this vitamin C is also essential for proper vision. It's also have another capacity to decrease the chances of getting any vision disorders during associated with age specifically. So I took some short notes here to be able to enlighten you guys in detail. So I will check right now. In this section where I wrote about the eyes, the functions in which it does in the eyes. So how it achieves these functions of preventing various pathological conditions relating to the eyes, cataract, glaucoma, name it, various types of uh, height disorders. It's able to prevent them. So, due to its antioxidant effect, so it have certain two chemicals specifically, which is the first one is lutein and the second one is zeaxanthin. Zeaxanthin, I will type them in the description below. Do check it out to know exactly what I'm saying. Okay. So, before I go right down to the other benefits, medicinal benefits. I want to cut off the fruit. I want to see what it's made of. I wanted to see what exactly is in this fruit. Okay. So before I do that, I want to talk about what I just said just now. It prevents age-associated high disorder. Okay. So now let's open the fruit up. Okay. So firstly, you're gonna hold it very well while you're cutting it. So I want you to see it. Here is it. Look at that. That is absolutely amazing. That is a very beautiful fruit and it contains a lot of water. So the consumption of this fruit during summer is really advisable. You can also consume it as well along with its other species, which is actually watermelon, okay? But this is honeydew melon. It tastes like honey. It is very sweet, very chewy, and very tasty. Okay, do check it out and try to get it in any nearby shops you are in your areas. Okay, so when you cut it like this, when you cut it firstly in symmetrical section, you also cut it again into another symmetrical section as well. So when you're done, you have a shape like this. Okay, so these are the seeds. If you are interested in multiplying it, you can keep the seeds as well. But the main thing I want to show you guys today is you're going to cut it from this section, okay? A little bit above this back cover, okay? A little bit above. So that you won't cut that cover because it's very strong and it's not sweet. You know what I'm saying? It's not bitter, but it's not sweet. But I want to show you guys right now. So please keep watching. Let's go. Okay, so I'm going to cut just a little part of it for you guys to see. So this is the fruit. I just got a very small portion of it. Absolutely amazing. It tastes like honey, a little bit like watermelon. It contains a lot of water. So that's one of the benefits as well. It's containing 90% of water actually. So it's a very good fruit. You should add to your list during summer, once again. And also, it improves digestive systems. Like it improves peristalsis. It helps you to fight against constipation. That is, if you have a patient that is constantly suffering from constipation, and also have other eye disorders, and the person is getting older, for example, patient ranging from 50 years upward, I would recommend you to ask them to consume this fruit as well, because these are the non-pharmacological therapies that will help to improve the patient's health without taking any medication that will eventually have a side effect on their health eventually. Okay? Very good. So now I'll go to the other part, which is the most important part of our body. It's our heart, the cardiovascular system. These fruits also are proven to contain high level of potassium, which is very effective and very efficient for preventing blood pressure. Okay, for preventing hypertension, basically, it controls and regulates the blood pressure when you eat it, and it also helps your cardiovascular system overall. Okay. So now I want to move to the next section, which I wrote down here, which is about the bone. For those patients that are suffering from osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, those ones are autoimmune disease. Rheumatoid arthritis or autoimmune disease, while osteoarthritis could be due to deficiencies of certain enzymes, certain elements. Okay, so here we have vitamin C and folate. Folate and vitamin C is one of the components that is present in this fruit that I'm showing you right here. So, in which these fruits have this two components, which is folate and vitamin K, which helps in increasing the bone density and increasing the bone strength as well, which prevents bone cracking, osteoarthritis, and lots more regarding the bone specifically. So now I want to go to the last function or last thing on my list right here because I take notes today because I want every of my viewers to understand what I'm saying very well, and I want you guys to understand me very well. So the last part, which is the most important part of our body, which is our brain, the central nervous system, the brain function. This fruit actually contains chemicals that are it contains vitamin B6 and folate, which helps to improve cognitive function and mood regulation. So those of you that have mood swings and cognitive disorders or anything related to the brain, I would recommend you to tell them to hit this fruit as well. And it also helps to improve your well-being overall, and it also helps to improve your brain function overall. So thank you so much for everything. I really appreciate your time, and I hope you do find this information helpful. Please share it with all your friends and your loved ones. Dr. Emmanuel here from India. See you in the next video. Yes.